Well, good evening. I'm just finishing up a little bit of plumbing work here after I've gutted most of the plumbing last night. Today is the beginning of week 6. I thought week 5 we'd be able to take care of all demolition related tasks, but I think we're going to actually take a little bit of week 6. We're really close. This bathroom last night was a huge effort to get it out, but it's pretty much out. I still have to take the tub out, which I'm gonna do tonight. And then the rest of tonight is going to be on cleaning up the upstairs. You can see there's still little bits of fiberglass insulation in the ceiling, so I'm going to get masked up, and tonight's going to be all about cleaning up the rafters, pulling out nails, and vacuuming the floor. When I'm done tonight, I hope to have finally a nice clean work environment upstairs. So let's get going.
Well, I'm up in the attic tonight, taking out any remaining insulation. It's probably hard to hear me because of my protective equipment and respirator, but it's all coming clean. It's starting to look good. As you can see though, below me is quite a mess.
Well, good evening, or should I say good night. It's actually 1:30 in the morning here, and the reason I've stayed so late is because I have the second construction skip here for a week. It gets picked up on Saturday morning, and it's Wednesday night, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can the week the construction skip's here. It's almost full, but it does have about another foot to the top, which is probably, I don't know, another 5 cubic yards or 3 cubic, I don't know. It's still got some room. So what I did tonight was I finished basically cleaning the ceilings. I pulled out all the nails, I dusted all the insulation down, and vacuumed a bunch. I probably should have a mask on right now. I'm making this quick and I'm heading out. So it's starting to get clean, but as you can see, these rafters are starting to look nice. Things are definitely getting cleaner. All the little bits of drywall and nails. The bathrooms are completely out. They're clean. Plumbing is gone. So things are really starting to come together on the first floor here. Tomorrow, we're going to be finishing the final parts of the basement, which is really just that restroom down there. We're going to leave a toilet and a sink. Everything else will be gone, and that skip will be full. So come back tomorrow, or should I say later today, and we'll see the bathroom downstairs.
Good evening. It's Friday, and I've just been working for about 8.5 hours down here. It's 1:30 in the morning, and the skip will get picked up in a few hours tomorrow morning on Saturday morning. Tonight, most of this bathroom came out. I got everything out that I wanted to, with the exception of some of these tiles in the shower. The shower seems to be the kind of shower that we have in the rest of this house, which means a couple inches of concrete grout with tile and possibly a metal mesh system. It's quite difficult to get out, and I'm wondering if the mesh is solid concrete. If it is, I'm going to need some more substantial power tools to get that out. Everything else came out though. I dropped the ceiling, did some minimal cleaning. I hope to be 100% done, but as you can see, there's still a few nails in the ceilings. Other than that though, the basement really is done and the upstairs is done. So there's probably going to be one more construction skip. It might be smaller. The windows will have to go in it, as well as a bit of wood debris, some HVAC debris as I work on that part of the system. But as of tonight, I'm calling it. You know, I've got the house down to the studs, and I'm going to be able to finalize my plans. That's tomorrow's job. Send them to the city, and we're going to be able to start putting this house back together. I've been thinking a lot about where I'm going to relocate the stairs to, and I think I've finally settled on a location, and it'll actually be about right here. It'll start off the living room and come down, and the staircase will terminate right around down here. That'll leave this area back here as a nice laundry and HVAC area. Something that I think will be particularly nice, hopefully this is still in frame, is this floor drain here. That'll be good for both the, I forget the technical name, but the air conditioning part that might have a little water dripping out of it. It can go up and down the drain. As well as if there's ever problems with the washer and, well, yeah, I guess that's the washer, not dryer. So all of that can be back here in a nice utility room. I might even put my networking box back there, so it'll just be kind of like the mechanical room for the house, and I think that's going to work really nicely. That'll leave the area over here for home theater, potentially even one more bedroom. We'll see how that shakes out. These two bedrooms will stay the same. This bathroom, I might push out this wall a little bit, just make this bathroom a little bit bigger. And apart from that, this area right here in front of me can be just whatever, a lounge, like maybe a spot for a foosball table, or probably what it's going to be is a little wet bar. So thanks for joining me tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow for a little bit of cleanup here. But I think we might actually have a light weekend for once. See you next time.